You ever heard a phrase, trapped behind a wheel? This applies to many immigrant truck drivers, and this is a sad reality, but it's a reality that can get you a green card through a T visa. If somebody falsely promised things to you to come to the US, and now you are working as a truck driver with no time off, sleeping always in your truck, you're in pain with your back, you have sleepless nights, your company is threatening you, constantly punishing you by withholding money from your checks that they shouldn't rightfully withhold. If you are not getting paid for overtime, if you feel exploited, like you're being taken advantage of and drained of your will to live with this horrible, hard driving work, you can get a green card. I had a client, his name is Jorge. He came to US on a promise of a job as a truck driver, good pay, maybe even a shot at a green card. But what he got was an 18-20 hour day of driving, sleeping in his truck, no overtime, his paycheck's getting smaller and smaller. He actually didn't even get paid for the first 2 months of work as a security deposit or for some franchise fee that they completely made up. His boss held on to his documents and threatened him with ICE deportation if he complained. My client Jorge, he was terrified. He didn't know who to turn to, and he was isolated. He was always driving and working. He didn't have new friends, nothing. He didn't know his rights. And he's not alone. There are many other people just like him. But then one day, his friend who saw my video on a TikTok actually said to him, hey, there's a chance to get your paperwork. You just have to talk to this lawyer. She can help. We spoke and we filed for a T visa. That involves making a complaint, usually with the Department of Labor for the state and usually for the government, federal government, Department of Labor. And if you don't want to have your name released, we can ask them to keep you anonymous. You could get a T visa and potentially even a U visa if the violations against you are really bad. It's possible. Give us a call to explore if this is the right thing for you, even if you're maybe a truck driver or something else. If you're working in a gas station, if you're working at somebody's house, if you're doing other work, maybe construction work, and you are being exploited, you're basically a slave. Yes, you're getting paid, but it's not enough. Call us today. We can help.